course is about oil and cold wax medium. I'm going to start off by showing how I prep my surfaces, because every artist does things a little bit differently, and I'll just show you some of the tips and tricks that I like to do. Mixing oil paint with the cold wax medium, there's a section on that, and I talk about all sorts of little tips and things within while you're watching me do the mixing. Building layers, and I will talk about transparent versus opaque, value changes, lights and darks, warm and cool, mark making with various tools, and that's a lot of fun. A lot of artists are primarily mark makers, some are shape makers. I like to do a little bit of both in my paintings, so we'll talk about that in more detail. So what did I say? Mark making, solvent lift techniques using Gamsol odorless mineral spirits. There's a number of things that you can do with that to create some very interesting textures. And use of tissue paper, we'll go through, that's a very nice way to create texture and to continue a body of work and create a series of work. So we'll talk about that. Additives, pastels, and powdered pigments. There's a section on that in this course, using RNF pigment sticks, and using stencils and imprinting techniques. And we'll cover that, as well as the final wax and buff. What I do when I finish the painting and it's dry, I'll show you how I finish it so that it's ready to go to its new home. So, all right, that's basically what this course is about, the things I just listed off. And at the end of the course, you will see how it's all put together. There'll be a little video of a start to finish painting, a small painting, because a painting like this will take me weeks to do sometimes, depending on the painting. And smaller paintings can be done faster and a little more immediate, and so I'll just show you combining a lot of these techniques and how I produce paintings. So hopefully this will be something that you will learn a lot of things and pick and choose the things that you really like to make your own and make your paintings. All right, so let's get started.